कई बार हम अपने फेवरेट स्टार्स से इतने ज्यादा इनामर्ड हो जाते हैं कि इस गलत फहमी में आ जाते हैं कि जितने अच्छे से हम उन्हें जानते हैं शायद उतने ही अच्छे से वो भी हमें जानते हैं। This sense of false familiarity often leads to many fans overstepping their boundaries. अब इस ब्रीच ऑफ प्राइवेसी से डील करने के अलग-अलग स्टार्स के अलग-अलग मेथड्स हैं। There are stars who give it right back to over-enthusiastic fans. And then there are stars like Arijit Singh who take their time to diffuse the situation, as was seen recently. हुआ यूं कि अरिजीत was performing in Aurangabad on Sunday. अब इसे उनकी आवाज का ही जादू कह लीजिए कि हर कोई उन्हें अपने पास बुलाना चाह रहा था। One fan, however, took it literally and actually pulled his hand hard. And how did Arijit react? By pausing the concert and gently reprimanding the fan. He first patiently asked the fan to stop justifying her actions and listen to what he had to say.
You have to understand this. No. Sorry. You were pulling me. Listen to me. Listen. I am not somebody who's going to blame you just like that, okay? Listen to me. Don't speak. Listen to me.
और उसके बाद ही टोल्ड हर कि उनके इस एक एक्शन की वजह से अब उनके गिटार प्लेइंग एबिलिटीज हैम्पर हो गई हैं, cause his hand is now shaking.
You have to understand one thing. You're a grown up, right? You're a mature person, right? Why did you pull me like that so that my hand is shaking right now? I can't move my hand.
He then said that if he won't be able to play, then the crowd won't be able to have fun either. And when he asked the audience if he should leave, the answer was, as expected, a resounding no.
If I am not able to perform, you are not able to have fun. That's as simple as that. You're pulling me like that. Now my hands are shaking. Should I leave?
और इस पूरी घटना के बाद जब वायरल होने लगी उनकी ये पिक जिसमें वो हाथ में बैंडेज बांध के बैठे हैं, तो एज एक्सपेक्टेड हिज फैंस कंडेम्ड द एंटायर इंसिडेंट। लेकिन मामला यहां सिर्फ इस एक इंसिडेंट का नहीं है। In the past also, we had told you how fans often forget that their favorite celebs are public figures and not public property. वो भी इंसान हैं, उनका भी एक टेम्परामेंट है। बिना उनके स्टेट ऑफ माइंड की रिस्पेक्ट किए अगर आप उनके सामने अपना सेल्फी कैमरा खोल देंगे तो जाहिर सी बात है आपको वैसा रिएक्शन नहीं मिलेगा जैसी आपने उम्मीद की थी। It's not only hazardous for the celebrity but also fractures the beautiful celeb fan dynamic. क्योंकि ऐसे हर इंसिडेंट के बाद आपका चहेता सेलेब एक एक्स्ट्रा लेयर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी ऐड करके आपसे और दूर चला जाता है। What is your take on the entire Arijit Singh episode? Do let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for all things entertainment.